Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a very important part of speech that we use all the time, the pronoun. If you're new to English or just getting comfortable with it, pronouns are an essential way to make sentences clearer and shorter. Instead of repeating names or nouns over and over, we use pronouns to stand in for them. So, what exactly is a pronoun? It's a word that takes the place of a noun in a sentence. For example, instead of saying, Sarah went to the store because Sarah forgot Sarah's keys, we can say, Sarah went to the store because she forgot her keys. Here, she and her are pronouns replacing Sarah, making the sentence sound much more natural. Let's look at some other common pronouns that you might hear every day. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. These are personal pronouns that help us refer to people or things without repeating names. For example, you might say, I am going to the park, or they're having a party. Each pronoun helps us know who or what we're talking about. In daily life, pronouns make our conversations smooth and natural. Imagine you're telling a story about your friends. Instead of saying Maria and John every time, you could say, Maria and John went to the movie. They enjoyed it. Here, they replaces Maria and John, and it replaces the movie. Pronouns like these help us focus on the main idea without getting stuck on repetition. So, try practicing with some basic pronouns in your own sentences. See how they help make your ideas flow better. And if you're enjoying this journey through English with us here at Hello Word, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps other language learners discover the show, and we're so glad to have you here.